Is it a debut or a comeback? Alright. V finally debut. Is it debut or comeback? Because I know V technically already releasing a single. I mean, this song from the album, I think Tears. So the album Love Yourself, correct me if I'm wrong that one. So I know he already put out his music out there before the solo song, right? But is that considered debut or this one considered debut? Because this one I know he releasing an album. Which one is it? I mean, you guys probably need to explain me here. But yeah, so far I'm confused. But why not? Let's check this music video first and let's think about that later. So without further ado, let's jump right. The first one we have Rainy Days. Rainy Days Academy. Look. Oh damn, I'm contact. Okay, let's see. Damn, this tuning on this. Pretty nice. That's too fast for me to read it.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like staring at my phone, I gauge, hoping for a call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 맨날 it was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same. 늦었지만 우리 다시 can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find
this. I'm sorry. Sounds so cozy. It just somehow that would come up to my mind when I heard this song. You know, it just sounds supposed to be like a warming. You know, I mean, I guess that's why for rainy days you can listen to this song when the rainy days. But damn, I mean, I like this so far. I mean, it is different from the Tears. Because when we sing a solo song, Tears, it's a bit more performance, but at the same time, he's using his falsettos a lot on that one. But this one, he's using the tone that he used to talk to. So it's interesting and I kind of digging out on this one. You know?
Right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like
wow, effect. Wow.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 make clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember you.
Finally, oh man, I need to rewind this video. I don't know about you guys, but when he's using his husky low voice, dude, it's really good. For me, I was like, oof, I know that he using his low vocal way back. Like, I forgot the name of it. Is it Hug Me or something? That feature with J-Hope. That one, the oof. I mean, you guys do not see that one, I highly recommend. It is such a good song too. It just when we using his low voice, that really hits it, you know. On this one, give more to the sound. Just give more, how should I say, a manly. You know, it's really good. I mean, his vocal.
Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 make clover. Yeah, I
Damn.
can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? Wish I knew how to find
Editors
the
get
way
yeah.
right back to you.
Alright.
On rainy days like
So rainy days. Damn, this the song that I'm waiting for V to come out with. And he have such a unique vocal that I really dig him out, and he really using out vocal potential on this song. So for me to actually witnessing this, I mean, I'm blessed. It's really his low voice is just a happy many voice. Just when he using that big song, dude, what can I say? It's game over. This song I give like 4.3 out of 5. Although you just need for me to listen a few more times to actually can go on it, but just listen to it. You get in my heart, and the music video is actually really interesting because it's visually interesting. I mean, V is already visually stunning, but the overall this editing style on this music video is interesting. You know, it's a bit artistic. It's bad that it's good because it is in this artistic form on this music video itself. You know, it's interesting. For me to see this from the average viewer perspective, interesting. But if someone artistic watching the music video is masterpiece, you know what I mean? So for me, I give that this music video it's good, but because I'm this the lens on the average viewer perspective. But someone with artistic lens put on this watching this one, 100% done. But this is my opinion. So did I enjoy it? Hell yeah. So now let's move on for the next one. Let's
All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me.
Alright. We have Love Me Again. Show music video. We got a ballad song? Alright, come on. Instrumental is good. Intro.
지금도 의미 없이 내게는 사라지고 이쯤에도 I can't let you go, let you go. 그 말이 다인 거니 한마디
That vocal, I'm sorry, you need to rewind it with that. The intro vocal, it's just how I keep repeating myself, but his low voice is really good. I'm sorry, rewind it quick. Let's move it on again.
지금도 의미 없이 내게는 사라지고 이쯤에도 I can't let you go, let you go. 그 말이 다인 거니 한마디만 남기고 후회하며 Let me know, let me know. 그래 너 솔직하게 다 말할래. 너는 매일 어떤 사람 어떤 곳에 몇 번씩이나 뭘 하는지 널 생각해. Lost without you, baby. I wish you would love me again. No, I don't want nobody else. I wish you could love me again, again. I wish you would love me again. No, I don't
That's such a simple video. Switch up between quality, but the song such a good song. It just distracts from the actual video. But I appreciate at least I this video.
Said I'm alright, said I'll be fine. I'm sorry. 거짓말은 떠나지 마. 저리까지 마. 그래 너 솔직하게 다 말할래. 너는 매일 어떤 사람 어떤 곳에 몇 번씩이나 뭘 하는지 널 생각해. Lost
switch up. So far, I'm enjoying this. That's it. Alright, we Love Me Again. It fell short to me, you know. I wish it could be more, but I mean, it is 3-minute song, so I guess, yeah, makes sense. But overall, this song, damn, I think we really using his potential on this album. I mean, just listen to the song, but hey, with these 2 songs, I already enjoyed it. I mean, he know what his strength is and he using it. I mean, for me, already be a fan of B because of his voice. I can appreciate that he using his true potential. Because on the, I'll keep referring on the Tears, because the Tears is performance is great, but Tears also is using a lot of falsetto, right? But it's not using his most range of his voice. I know that we can go low, but on the Tears, I think he tried to be a bit more experimental, just give on the highs. But this one, there's high and his lows. The dynamic is insane. For me, I really enjoying the song, although it just kept repeating the chorus, but hey, we vocals really selling on the song. So for me, listen to this one, I like it. I give like this song fun. And the music video said nothing more than a video set. We just presented this perform. For me, I like it. I mean, at least there is a music video, you know. I wish it could be more, but it is try to sell the emotion. So I guess they try to cut the budget or cut the time that for people busy on that day. So just keep this music video still rolling, but just give the vibe that this is a karaoke that we performing on this. But it is in this type of music video. So for me to listen on this one and to watch this one, I mean, I appreciate that he put the effort. So I get like the music video itself 9 out of 10. And let's moving on for the next. Let's
late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Alright, we got Slow Dancing. Shazzy. Alright. Interesting.
It's about time we get it straight. Give me a minute if it ain't too late. 대충 무리 없나 봐, babe. 애만 깊으면 해 진짜. 버티기가 이만큼 힘든데.
Nice. It is road trip. Now I can see the vibe that we really going for album. Yo, the effect though, shit. God damn. Oh, effect on this. They put effort on this. Oh damn, the transition. Because coming from the last video, this look all present now. that dots. There, give the same vibe on the last song. I guess that's the vibe that we going to. Damn, we are singing so much, but the instrument really carry the song. But what is this shit present on this music video? Damn, this dog featuring 2 music videos. Alright. Wait, there's the outro? What the? Okay, this is slow dancing. Interesting one indeed. I thought they're gonna come back again. I anticipate that they're gonna go again for the chorus, for the last chorus to the outro. Interesting. I guess the approachable on the song itself is different each song. Interesting things to see. I mean, I can see the vibe and the colors that he going. This type album, right? It is weirdly interesting, This music video have storyline. It's just too deep for me to understand it, but I know there's something deep going on. I think we could be an alien or something. It's coming down the earth. You can see this different creature, and then somehow we also have the glow on him too. So, okay, I guess there's potential on this music video, but there must be something I'm missing on this video. But the song itself, interesting. The outro is really long. I mean, because I anticipated that we're gonna going back to the chorus, for the last chorus, that be like, nah. Oh man, really interesting. To me, this song have the same vibe. That's what, like I say, I like this vibe that we going with this. I mean, his vocal is always amazing, but the vibe is going with this one interesting. The instrument on this one, the highlight on this one is really interesting. So for me to see this one, I give like 3.8 out. It's interesting. I cannot wrap around on this type of style on this one yet. Maybe I just need to do this a few more times so I can get on board. But for now, the style keep going with this one, interesting. The music video, like I said, have potential, have theory that for me, from the average view perspective, have no idea what's going on. Give my own theory that we probably just somewhere do not belong there, or just who is these people with me, or he imagining his friend or something. Maybe something he has doesn't add up, but I do not know what it is yet. Why there's glowing? I thought it was glowing just for the effect. For this music video, it's too much, I say, story on this one that I cannot fathom it right now. So maybe you guys that understand what's going on, you guys have your own theory, just let me know below. Maybe we can discuss our own theory on this one. From the average perspective, visually it's good, but story wise, confusing. So I give like this whole music video 9. Solid music video. I wish I could understand it. And that is all my thought on this V comeback song. So, is it a comeback or debut song? I cannot understand it yet, so maybe you guys can help me on that one too. Well, I guess that's it for this video. And don't forget guys, show V some support, hit like on this new video and stream the song if you like it, of course. And I'll see you guys in the video. Peace.